Hi there, hope you have a great time. As I promised in my last video that I will be covering thread synchronization using mutex and semaphores. So in order to do that, I take up one problem, producer consumer problem, but I made a slight modification to that. The problem statement goes like this, that you have a two array, one bigger one and one smaller, and there is one producer thread. The main function of this producer thread to randomly generate a number and insert the element into the smaller array, whereas there are three consumer thread and their function is to take the number from the smaller array and try to insert into the bigger array such that after every insertion the array comes out to be sorted. But take in notice that you are not allowed to sort the array externally. I know it sounds tricky, but it will be more clear when I will show you the output. So let's check the output. As you can see from here that after every insertion the array comes out to be sorted. And there is no externally sorting algorithm or any sorting function, externally sorting function that we will see in the code. There is a delay of 2 seconds in the display thread, so it is displaying after every 2 seconds. So now let's check this source code. Now we are in the code section, and to provide a thread synchronization among the threads, I have used mutex. It is a binary semaphores and semaphores. There is two semaphores, full and empty. Full is a number of item already in the smaller array, and empty is for the number of available space in array where item could be written or inserted. So let's check the two function, producer function and consumer function. It is a producer function. So in producer function, the producer randomly generate a number. So whenever item is produced, fill semaphores is incremented, as you can see from here, the fill, and whereas empty semaphores is decremented. If a producer tries to decrement empty semaphores, when its value is 0, the producer is put to sleep. So when the next time when the item is consumed by the consumer, empty semaphores is incremented and producer wakes up. So it's all about the producer function, and now its consumer function. Here it is a lock, mutex, semaphores mutex lock. It is to provide the mutual exclusion, that no other thread tries to enter its critical section if this thread is running its critical section, to avoid race around condition. So in this manner, the producer and consumer thread are synchronized to avoid deadlock and race around condition. And for the insertion part, to insert the element so that after every insertion the array comes out to be sorted, I have used the binary search technique. Using binary search technique, I try to find the exact location or index of the item where it should be inserted. So you try it yourself. It's quite easy. You try it yourself. So thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.